She wants the box, baby. Sit down, Belle, and she'll give you another one.
Then we have purple.
Don't drop any. You okay? Can you put your other ones that you're not using, can you put them away? Let her pick.
Okay, now. I'm sure.
No, let her pick.
I'll give you green. So,
What color is that? Let her have it. What color is that?
how was that? G. It's green. Green.
Yeah. Can you show me the orange?
Yeah.
What color is that?
It's green.
Where's your orange?
Orange. Green.
Don't color on the paper. She'll get mad. Do you have orange?
Look. Orange.
What color is that?
Orange.
Nice sound. Can you show me a blue?
See, Mama. See, go one.
What color on your own?
What's the puppy? Hey, here. Go for one.
She wants another one.
Apple. Apple. Poopa.
Let her have it. Ask her what color it is.
No. Green. What color is that? Green. I can see.
What is it?
It's green. Green. Hey, Mama, crayon.
Yeah. On the paper.
I think the coloring on the crayon. Hey, I can finish.
You finished? Okay, bye.
Bye.